Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
I have a question.
Have a question.
Yes.
Which question?
What is geography?
Geography.
Geography.
What is geography? Very simple definition. Geography is a geography. What is a geography?
Yes.
Geography is a study of geography. We are geography. Sorry. Geography is a study of geography. No, is a study of science which is surrounding. No. Wait. Geography is a surrounding. Geography comes from geo, and geo is a human being, and human being comes from animal, and the animal comes from the lake. Add those words. Means the definition of geography is the surrounding of animal comes from the lake. Is the definition of geography. Do you get it? Repeat again. Geography is a lake, no, not a lake. Geography is, remember me definition of geography.
Geography is the lake.
No, geography is animal, geography is animal. Go and ask the headmaster.